Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to share today's video with you because I finally got an opportunity to take a short weekend getaway and go visit Strasbourg, France, which I have never been to before. It's only about a 2.5 hour train ride from where I am in Germany. I got to take in some of the sights, try some of the food, and just relax a little bit. Now you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. If you like this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what I got into while I was in Strasbourg, France, just keep watching. Good morning, you guys. It is Friday morning, about 4:45 a.m. I'm just drinking my pre-workout, getting ready to go to the gym. This weekend, I have a train ticket to go to Strasbourg, France, but first I've got to work. So I figured we would get a workout in, get ready, conquer the day, whatever it has in store for me, and then catch the train to Strasbourg, get into some adventures. I haven't decided everything that I want to do. Some of it's just a little bit open as far as the schedule is concerned. If you plan everything to the T, there's no time for spontaneity and just deviating from the path. So I figured I would take you along with me. I haven't done any travel vlogs. Haven't really got to do a lot of traveling since I've been here. But if it's something that you want to see, and I hope I have a good weekend, I'm pretty sure I will. But let's kick Friday off right. I'll check back in with you later. Okay, you guys, I didn't get to film before I left base and head towards Strasbourg, France, but I have arrived in Strasbourg. It's about 6:30, almost 7 o'clock right now. And I just checked into my hotel. I'm staying at Hotel Cathedral, which is across from the Strasbourg Cathedral, which is beautiful at night. I will have to go and take some pictures and videos for you guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. But I just got into my hotel and it's just for 2 nights. This is so interesting. I didn't know what my view is going to be. It's actually quite interesting. And I figured I would just give you a quick tour of my room. It's tiny, but I also don't plan on spending a lot of time in my room. I want to go and adventure out and explore. So I don't spend a lot of money on my rooms. And I will have to go back to see how much I spent on this one. But it is so interesting. Let me show you. Okay, you guys, there's literally like no room to just, I'm standing at the door, but this is my room. It's fine. I'm okay. I know, like, I wasn't planning on staying in my room a whole lot, but that window right there does not look outside. There's a spiral staircase that gets you outside or to the lobby, and it's very gothic. Let's see. So this is actually inside the hotel. So I will have to close my curtains when I'm getting ready. And I assume that that's someone else's room and the curtains are closed right now. But then of course, this door is the bathroom, shower, all that. And then this is my exit. And then I have a little TV. I have my closet that, I mean, I've got some room. There's plenty of room. But like I said, I'm not planning on staying in my room for a long period of time. But I will say, for it being so tiny, I wasn't sure what to expect with the bathroom. Not too bad. Okay, you guys, I just got back to the hotel. It is the end of day 1 vlogging and my adventure to Strasbourg. Just went around and kind of explored what was around the hotel. Besides the cathedral, there's a carousel, which is super cute. And then I wasn't sure what I wanted to do for dinner. I kept joking about like, oh, I'm just gonna stop at McDonald's. It's easy, it's fast food, whatever. But I did find a restaurant. I forgot, Brasserie? I have to figure it out how they say it here. But I stopped and just kind of sat outside because it was fairly decent as far as like temperature. Although it is starting to be like, it was pretty drizzly when I was getting into Strasbourg. So I stopped, got kind of a mushroom fromage flatbread pizza and a couple glasses of wine, just kind of took in the atmosphere, the outside culture, just people watched as they walked by and just had their conversations, whether I understood them or not. Just kind of getting out of the normal everyday that I have been in the last 2 months. But you guys, I'm about to go to bed and I will see you in the morning. Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday morning, waking up in Strasbourg. I'm so excited for today. We're just gonna go and venture out, see what we can get into. The cathedral that's here is directly across from my hotel. It opens around, I think, 10. And I want to see if I can go in there and just kind of explore for a little bit before I go and walk along the riverside. And there's so many things that are on my list. I did have ChatGPT kind of give me an itinerary, so I didn't really have to think too much about it. And then I want to make sure that I'm going to locations that Grandma would have loved to have visited with me. She is definitely on these adventures with me right now. So let's do a quick outfit of the day. I'm just keeping it pretty simple with my little black booties. I've got my American Eagle jeans on that I love. This tank top is from Target. I think I got it in a couple different shades when I was getting ready to leave. And then this flannel is one of the ones from Dixon that Luke had bought me. So just something comfy. And then I have a little pleather jacket that's gonna go with me and my little crossbody. Okay, here we are, all put together with my little pleather jacket I've had for a while, and then my little crossbody that I got off of Amazon. I absolutely love this bag. This is what it all looks like. Ready to go and adventure out. Okay, you guys. Today was pretty eventful and I decided to come back and rest for a little bit. Ended up binge watching a show. I can't remember the name of it now. But then I couldn't decide what I wanted for dinner. And I just kept getting an urge to pick up a burger and some fries. And that's what Grandma would have wanted. So I decided, you know what? First off, no judgment. I get that I'm in France and I should be trying all the food. Lunch was so yummy. And you saw those clips earlier. But you know what? Sometimes you just need a burger and fries. And no, I did not settle for McDonald's because yes, they do have that here. They also had Five Guys, which I passed. But I tried one of their local places that apparently gets really busy because I ordered my food when I got there. I was gonna sit down and eat, but it was packed. And then even taking away, I waited like 15-20 minutes. So I'm really hoping this food is exceptionally good. I'm literally going to sit on my bed, eat my burger and fries, have some cherry cola, and watch a show and relax the rest of the night. Cherry cola. I have some fries, and then somewhere in here is a burger. This is like their equivalent of like a Big Mac. I really wanted to try it. And then I have some ketchup and other sauce in here. So ketchup, and then I got their truffle sauce. Never had it before, so I'm hoping it's good. Okay, you guys, last day in Strasbourg. I just got everything ready to check out. They do have a baggage holding space, so I don't have to carry my suitcase around with me until my train at 3 o'clock. So that is also nice. Make sure to look for that when you're gonna do any travel trips and your plane leaves later than checkout. So checkout's at 10 a.m. Train's not till 3. I've got about a 20-minute drive from the hotel to the train station, unless I hop one of the buses, but trying to figure out the transit system here, I haven't had a chance. So we're gonna go and try and find somewhere to eat and walk around a little bit. Like I said, shops are closed on Sunday, so just kind of walk along the boardwalk, river walk. But let me show you what my outfit of the day looks like first. Okay, you guys, this is the outfit of the day. I just have my little gray sweater that has the pearl details on the shoulder. I think I got this on Amazon last year. I'll see if I can find it and link it. I just have one of my black tank tops because I'm not gonna wear my jacket. It is like 55, 60 degrees right now. So I don't want my jacket if it's gonna be too hot. Another pair of American Eagle jeans. I live in these. And then of course my little Adidas Superstars that I got while I first got here. So super comfortable, relaxed, will be nice for on the train. This is just what I'm wearing. And then of course my crossbody. I also never hop back on after I ate my dinner last night. Their take on the Big Mac, the sauce was really sweet. It was delicious, but I don't think I'd order it again. I think I'd rather just get a Big Mac. But you guys, let's venture out, see if I can find somewhere for brunch or lunch or something, and have a good rest of our Sunday. Okay, you guys, I'm just walking around and you can hear all the bells from the cathedrals going off. I did make a reservation for lunch around 12, but it's so quiet on the streets except for the cathedrals because nothing's open. So peaceful. Made it to the train station, ready for my train ride back to Germany. Okay, you guys, this trip was a lot of fun and I'm really glad I got to vlog it and share it with you. I am not a regular vlogger, so some clips could be a little bit erratic, but I wanted to share my experience and some of the things that I got to see and try out. Got to try some different food and experience the sights, some historical places. I didn't film inside the cathedral. I did take some pictures, which are posted on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is in one of the corners for you to go and check out if you want to go and see those photos. I just personally, because religion can be a very private thing for each individual person, I didn't want to film inside and then post those videos in this vlog. So if you do want to see some of the architecture and beautiful stained glass, as well as some of the amazing statue and carvings in the cathedral, definitely go and check out my Instagram. I tried to post as much as I could over there. of things that I wasn't able to film or didn't feel comfortable filming, as well as there's some things that if I had continued to vlog, I would have missed. So I vlogged a little bit, I took in the sights, I just had a relaxing weekend. There is also the one night, Saturday night, I was out venturing to pick up some food to take back to the hotel, and I ran into Sephora and I completely forgot to look up some of the local places to go and shop. It just wasn't that kind of trip for me. I did find Sephora. It was about 20 minutes before they closed. I went to go inside and the guy told me that he wanted me to turn my camera off, which is fine. I completely understand that. I'm huge on privacy. I try my hardest not to film people's faces, and then usually I will ask my editor to blur out faces, especially of children, because, you know, that's their privacy. So I'm torn on vlogging because I want to share those experiences, but I also don't want to invade other people's privacy. Now, if you guys have any questions about Strasbourg or my experience, please put those in the comments. We'll definitely have that conversation. It was such a magical little town to kind of explore. I've already talked to a couple of my friends here at work about doing a weekend trip for the winter market because it's ranked number 2 when I did my best winter markets in Europe. It was second compared to Vienna, which I would love to go, but I haven't figured out a way yet. I haven't looked up how far it is, what the train ride would be, if it's easier to take a car. I'm still figuring that out, but I look forward to sharing that experience with you guys as well. It might be just an overnight trip, which that's fine. Let me know your thoughts. Are there places you think I should go and explore or recommendations for visits? But thank you so much for sharing this vlog with me, and I look forward to sharing more of my adventures with you. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.